Hello and welcome to the Academic Center for Writing presentation on symbolism. This presentation was written by David and Nancy Evans and is narrated and produced by Scott Powers. Symbolism means to give an object meaning that is different from its original meaning. Writers will use symbolism to express or enhance an idea. One example of a symbol is a string tied on someone's finger. It is used to mean that the person needs to remember something. Another might be a red rose used to signify love. Other literary devices, such as metaphor, simile, allegory, and allusion, can be used to develop symbolism. These terms are discussed in other videos in the database. Symbolism can be used to tie things that seem unimportant to more universal themes. For example, a color can be used to show varying kinds of people. Blue can represent royalty, white can represent purity, black represents evil, and brown can represent the common man. Objects can also represent different things. A hawk might represent war, a dove might represent peace, a shack might represent poverty, and a mansion might represent wealth. In the Lord of the Rings trilogy, J.R.R. Tolkien uses a ring to show ultimate power. Frodo falls under the influence of the ring, but possesses the inner source of goodness to defeat the evil. When examining a piece of literature, understanding the primary symbols often leads to a deeper understanding of the work itself. So if the king wears purple and his servant wears brown, and then a new character is described in a literary work as wearing a purple gown, that character is probably not a servant. Thank you for watching this presentation on symbolism. For questions about this or any other aspect of your writing, please come by the Academic Center for Writing in room W114. Thanks again for watching.